up, you guys? Mikey and Rafa. We're back. We have another video. Kind of last minute. We're gonna Omar with the Blazer. You guys met them, right? Right? They met him?
Yeah, but he hasn't seen his Blazer yet.
All right.
We haven't done a review on that yet.
Oh, well, he has his old Blazer. He's like into dirt bikes and all that off-roading type of vehicles. So he's got a bunch of friends with. Almost closed the window on the phone outside. So they got a bunch of off-roading type of vehicles and everything, and trucks and all that. So we're about to go meet them at some mountains over here by in Mexico, and we're gonna go climb some mountains and do some hood rat things.
You know, just doing gang shit.
You know it.
I don't know for sure.
Oh man, yo, what up, you guys? You can't even see us. Let me try to get a light. Oh, that's somewhat better. All right, so we've been chasing them down basically off of their current location. There's like 6 of them in like off-road trucks and just like all kinds of rock climbing type.
And we're in a fucking lowered Subaru.
Yeah, and we're in a lowered Subaru. And these roads just are like freaking brutal to us. We've been chasing them for like maybe a half an hour. Oh, and we just pulled up on all of them, so. Oh crap, let me flip the. All right, finally we pulled up. We found them all. There's Omar. Hey, sexy.
All we're doing right now is fucking, we're on a line. Wesley's just mobbing to this shit. What we're doing is, we're just waiting here, and then once one person comes back, he gets back here, and then the other fucking mobs him.
I would've got him.
Oh!
He's still going. He's still going. Oh really?
Yeah.
You got a YouTube?
Matt, roll on your window.
I used to do like dating, but now I just.
Alright, tell us what you drive, bro.
A Danger Ranger, I rolled it twice.
Rolled it twice. Got the Ranger. Hey, we'll put a clip in there. Hey, we'll put the clip in there of you, alright? This is Austin. Austin, what do you drive, bro?
A Prius.
A Prius. Don't look like a damn Prius. And we got the Subi out here. Rafa's about to tear that shit up. Okay, we got Matt. We got Matt. I see you. I see you. Where's Braden at? Braden, it's your turn.
I think it's
What do you
a
drive,
good idea
bro?
for when Matt's driving. He's already rolled a truck. Just wing it. What's wrong with the flash on that one?
Whoa. Calm down. Calm down.
What do you drive?
Ranger.
Ranger.
I want an interview.
He hasn't flipped this one yet, though.
Can I have an interview?
Yeah. Okay, so
Coming up next in 5 minutes is a truck flip.
okay, we got Austin
Matt's
with
coming. Matt's
Prius,
coming.
right?
Matt's coming.
Yeah.
Hey.
Extra batteries.
Matt's coming. Move.
Get him behind the range, bro. Look at his windshield wipers on.
Yeah, he's flipping his shit today. Okay, Austin. Continue.
What was the question?
Just give us the specs on the Jeep.
33s,
This whole time.
shock cage, Fox all the way around, 5.5 inches of lift, and like 20 inches in the front, 14 in the back, strapped.
Strapped like a dildo?
Yeah.
Oh.
We got my man Rafa here.
What you munching on, bro?
Pussy.
Oh. Boom.
Ah!
Okay, now it's Jose's turn. He was going ham in that little Suzuki.
So,
Yeah, I know.
a documentary about myself.
That's why I wish there was someone in it.
Alright, I'm Jose, 18 years old. I drive a Suzuki Sidekick, 95 horsepower. Yeah, it's
On fucking 31s or 33s?
yeah, 31.
31.
The one with the Suzuki?
Yeah.
Hey, that's down, bro.
He was going ham. I'll see if I can put that shit in here.
I got a 4-inch lift, custom front and back bumpers, spare, and I got a K&N air filter. Does that
That's
count?
it. Fucking vape life. Thank you for your time, Jose. We're fucking mobbing in the race truck. We got the harnesses, got the goggles on too. Night mobbing. What do you gotta say?
Yo, good luck, man.
Thanks. We got Braden as a driver tonight, just for this round. Hey, record from the outside.
Not fucking. Lose my phone.
Hit that donut action for the video. can't fucking tell on video, guys, but we're fucking mobbing. You can't tell. We should have done this a bit earlier when there was still light out. It's still badass at night. Fucking listen to that VTEC.
Mama's out here getting it in the Subi.
What a watch, cause he playing James.
Yeah, watch out, this is
Suck a nigga, dig or something. 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 I'm an ex-playing one, you probably never see me. I'm in a sucking bitch, no Instagram, I'm watching TV. I think I trade my breakfast, lunch, or dinner for some PT. Please believe me, I see Riri, I'ma eat it like panini.
Just do a full 180 right here.
I've never done a full 180. Oh, he got it! Oh, he hit the 180 hairpin. No.
Oh, shit. Hey, here's a sharp turn.
Bro, you're about to impress other people right now. Oh, damn! So much dirt.
No, fuck that. We need the full experience, nigga.
So much dirt just went in the car. Oh, that's bad.
Hey, you want me to get out?
Oh shit!
Nigga! Oh, fuck! Nigga!
No! No, dog.
I don't know. Nigga, try and start it.
Let's see this bitch want to start.
Oh, nigga.
Don't look at this shit.
No, it's already there.
Oh, you good.
Wait, this is mine.
No! Hey! Boom!
No!
Hey! Boom!
Ben! Hey, get out! Get out, motherfucker! Hey, get out! Hey! Ow!
Boom! Gang, nigga.
Oh shit, dog! You ripped your fucking window seal off. Go! Hell no, you're not shifting. Don't even touch the car, Omar. Oh my fucking gosh, dog. Ronald's car just temporarily broke.
Nah, this is your vengeance right here. Fuck, bro. You straight went in that shit.
I know.
Oh, get it. Oh.
Oh, fuck. See, I suck getting sideways this way. Wait, where am I going?
Straight.
Hey, watch out for the car. Remember, it's really close to the fence, so you gotta go out a little bit.
Fuck. Okay, yeah, open up this side because the car's on this side. Alright, nigga, you gotta hit this corner like a motherfucking rally driver, alright? You gotta impress all these niggas.
Get around the car.
Go.
Oh, fuck. Hit the 180. At this speed?
Yeah, nigga, get it.
Fuck it.
Oh, shit.
Oh.
Go, vengeance.
Hit the sidewall again.
This corner.
Hey, luckily the sidewalk. Oh, fuck.
Get it, go. Open up again.
Hey, luckily the sidewalk.
Yo guys, so we're dipping out now because someone was hitting the line and a bunch of trucks just over here now, they just pulled over and stuff. And they were just like, they just kept going back and forth, and now we keep on hearing sirens like coming in this direction. So now we're all trying to, now everyone just blew the spot real fast to get out of here. See, like, what are all these cars? Look, like this truck is not with us, and they just came and pulled up right next to us. Ooh, what the? And then neither is this car over here either. And they just pulled up and parked up over here too. And their lights were in the direction of us too. Yeah, everyone's mobbing out now and trying to find a place to meet at.
fuck, my car didn't want to turn on, food.
That scared me, dude. Yeah, so we tried to go, and from the clip that you guys just saw like a couple minutes before this, probably, or a couple seconds. So the clip you guys just saw like a couple minutes or like a couple seconds before that, Rafa was getting in a corner, and they have like these sidewalls, basically like berms, and he oversteered and went right into it, knocked the lights out, the car shut off, and it wouldn't start for like a minute. We just let it sit, and then it started. And then when we heard the sirens, everyone was like, all right, I'm leaving. So we started trying to dip, and we jumped in his car, and his car wouldn't start again for like a whole nother minute.
So I literally, we're on a hill, so I just let it roll back, and then it just hit the clutch, and then it turned on, but that was so sketchy.
Yeah, it was really sketchy, especially with those cars coming up around our area so much now, and then down. All right, so we'll catch you guys in a minute. I'll film it if it gets any interesting.
So there's Austin.
Right here, Austin is right here. I'll cover that. And then we got Jose over here in that truck.
Ooh, they didn't get it.
That turn signal. Dang. So let's see.
1320, guys, 1320.
1320 video.
1320 video.
We're the chaser car.
You guys are fucking slow. We're out here doing RADSCALS shenanigans. This little Omar. Is that in the name? Huh? Yeah. Fuck. Oh shit.
My turn.
Hold on, get on my back. Let me do a squat.
Fuck, I couldn't squall over. Hey, squall game?
Hold up, you hop on my back.
Oh shit! Squat.
Oh, my fucking ass is gonna fall out. That wasn't a real fucking
Them
squat.
gains.
It's hard, it's like awkward.
Alright, don't laugh. Omar with the clout goggles.
Alright, so we're putting on the new sponsorship, you guys.
Propane company.
Propane, you already know.
That's how I.
Neutral propane.
No, at least make it in the middle.
Where's the fuck's the middle? Right there.
What the fuck are you
Solid.
Really? Hey, right here, come through. Over here.
Camo racing.
Can't too. Shit, my bad.
I'm fucking dead.
Hey, did you get the?
You should put it right here, dude.
Hey, did you get the bitch? Get the fuck out of here!
Look how fucking awkward he is.
Hey, did you get the? Oh, motherfucker! Did you get it when you crashed?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, bro.
Alright, so now we're out here at Chevron because we didn't realize it. Let me get a light. But yeah, as you can tell, because we're pointing at, Rafa started getting a slow leak on his tires. So we're out here. It's like $1.50 for the freaking air machine, and I bet you it'll probably only run for like a minute. But we'll see. Gosh, look at this thing, dude. Disgusting. Rafa's sponsors up here, and Cam 2 Racing. Oh, and these aren't scratches. He just got a new livery put on when he got his sponsorship stickers added on. Rafa went full race car now. See, I told you guys it was a livery. See, that line is on this side of the car too. So comment below what you think of Rafa's new livery and stickers.
Alright guys, so pretty much I'm here, I put air inside my tire and it's leaking really bad, so I'm gonna buy some Fix-A-Flat and hopefully that fixes the issue because it's leaking, you can hear it and feel it. It is what it is, you always gotta pay a price when having fun, so.
Alright, so Rafa's leak is like a lot worse than he thought. Oh, here. You're out there.
No, I think here, do my Fix-A-Flat. You already know I got sleeves.
Fuck you. Drunk.
I got wife sleeves for Donald Trump.
Yeah, I'll pay you back.
You don't need to pay me back.
Yeah, I'm gonna break the table if I do that move. Are you serious, dude?
Put your goggles back on.
Well, young dudes don't know race teams either. Yeah, like, that's pretty young.
Marcos finally started driving today. Hey, wait, which one is the thing? I don't remember which one it was.
Alright, so tell them what happened, Mikey.
Okay, so Rafa just found this. We got back to his house because we could hear the air leaking out. So when he was tuning, if you look right in here in this crack. Oh, fuck. Let me see. Oh my bad. So right and
If you
right
look
in
closely, there's a rock.
You guys see that rock right there?
That's what was making my tire leak.
Yeah,
air.
so there's a rock wedge in there. So right now we're just letting out a lot of the pressure in the tire so I can get this flathead in there. And then I'm just gonna try to pop the rock out. Save him a couple $100.
Yeah, I thought I was gonna need a new tire or something.
But
So scared.
damn, it's in there though.
Yeah, so Mikey's trying to get that. It's like almost 12. We're out here doing this. Oh, this is stupid.
Here we go, guys. Almost got it to the lip of the rim.
Oh,
There.
yes.
That. Look at that. Just this one little rock caused that entire tire leak this whole freaking night.
That's right, boys.
One rock.
That's right. That's right. We got that shit out. Let's get it.
Yeah. Now you gotta fill up that whole tire again.
Alright, so we're gonna. Alright, let's end the vlog right here.
Alright. Oh shoot, did that tripod just break? Oh no. Alright. So
Alright, yeah, so I'm just gonna put
in
the air.
here.
I'm just gonna put the air back in the tire, go home. We're gonna end the vlog here today. We had a good day with the boys. We'll see you guys in the next one.
It wasn't even one of the boys. It was, I don't know, I didn't know none of those people. That was honestly the first time meeting all of them besides Omar.
Yeah, we had a good time. So
Yeah, it was dope.
this is Rafa,
Mikey.
the RADSCALS. See you guys in the next one. Alright guys, so we took out the rock, we filled up the air again, and it's leaking. Bad. Still. So I'm gonna see if I can make it home like this. If not, we'll figure it out. We're probably gonna put the spare on. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Continue. Stay tuned to see what happens next in our next video.
Everything the sun touch belongs to me, and everywhere the moon creeps is where